Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to calculate the numericals from this chapter light, reflection and refraction. So we are going to solve two numericals, that is example 9.1 and then example 9.2 we are going to solve. So before solving, let us learn the formula, make a note of this. The first formula is called as mirror formula. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, where V is called as image distance, U is called as object distance, F is called as the focal length. Second formula is F is equal to R divided by 2, where R is called as radius of curvature and F is called as the focal length. The third formula is called as magnification formula. M is magnification. M is equal to H dash divided by H. H dash is called as height of the image and H is called as height of the object, and this is equal to minus V divided by U. So these are the three important formulas which we will be using for the calculating numericals. Next, these are the important points which you have to make a note of. M value, if you are getting negative, the meaning of that is the image formed is real image will be formed. If M value is positive, then virtual image will be formed. If M is equal to 1, the meaning is size of the image formed is equal to the size of the object. So size will be equal. If M value is greater than 1, then the image is enlarged. Enlarged meaning is a bigger image will be obtained. If M value is less than 1, then the image is diminished. Diminished meaning is reduced, or you can say it is small. So the image formed is small when compared to that of the object. So these are the important points we will be making note of before calculation. So now let us calculate. So students, before calculation, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends. So let us start. First read the question what is given. A convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature 3.00 meter. So here radius of curvature is given. So write down what is given in the question. So given, you can write R. R is called as radius of curvature, which is equal to, so this is equal to plus 3.00 meter. So why we are using here plus sign? So here we are using plus sign, you know that, because for convex mirror, all the components will be having plus sign, leaving U, except to U will be having negative sign. So other than this, all the component will be having a positive sign. Then what else is given? If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, so here bus is the object. So object is located at 5 meter from the mirror. So you can write U value is equal to minus 5.00 meter. So why we are writing this negative sign? Because you know that object is always placed in front of the mirror. Suppose if this is the mirror, so this is the mirror and object will be placed, this is the object. It will be placed in front of the mirror. Therefore, we are using this negative sign. So how to use this positive and negative sign? Already I have made a video on this, and also I have given a table where you can see how a plus sign and minus sign will be used. So if you have not watched that previous video, you can go to the playlist and you can watch that video. So now after writing this, what you have to find? Find the position, nature and size of the image. So for this, let us write the mirror formula. So mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This is the mirror formula. So here you can see U is given in the question, which is minus 5 meter. V we have to find. F, focal length. Focal length is not given. So first let us calculate F. So to calculate F, we have a formula. So see here formula list. What is the second formula? So here the second formula is F is equal to R divided by 2. So let us write that formula. F is equal to R divided by 2. So this is equal to R is radius of curvature. It is given as plus 3.00 divided by 2. So divide this, you will be getting plus 1.50 as the answer. Now substitute this in the formula. So 1 divided by V plus 1 by U. So U value is given as, let us substitute the U value, minus 5.00 is equal to 1 divided by F value is given as 1.50. So now let us simplify this. So see here, if two signs are there, plus sign and minus sign, you have to multiply these signs. So plus into minus, you will be getting minus sign here. So in the next step, let us simplify the sign. 1 by V minus 1 by 5.00 is equal to 1 divided by 1.50. So this is how you will simplify. In the next step, let us take this to the other side. So minus sign, when you are taking to the other side, it will become plus. So now you can write 1 by V is equal to 1 by 1.50 plus 1 by 5.00. So what we have done? So this we have shifted to the other side. Therefore minus sign will become plus sign here. So now let us simplify this. So see here, you have decimal. So if you have decimal, then how to take LCM? So what you can do better is, after point you have 2 digits. So if 2 digits are there, put 2 zeros here. Remove this point and put 2 zeros here. So in the next step, let us write 100 divided by 150. Is that clear? So what we have done? We have removed this decimal. To remove the decimal, after the decimal, how many digits are there? That many zeros you have to put in the numerator. So plus 1 by 5. So 5.00 is nothing but 5. So after decimal, if there is 0, you can just leave it. So it will be 1 by 5. Now take the LCM. 150 and 5. LCM is 5 30s and 5 1s. 5 6s are 31 and then 6 1s. So multiply this, 6 into 5 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 30 into 5 is 150. So LCM you will be getting as 150. So this is equal to 150 is the LCM. So in the numerator you will be getting 100 plus 30. So this is equal to 130 divided by 150. So 10 and 10 you can cancel. So then you will be getting, how much you will be getting? 13 divided by 15 you will get. So next step. So 1 by V you are getting as 13 by 15. Then what is V? V will be equal to 15 divided by 13. So take the reciprocal. 1 by V we have taken as V. So take this reciprocal. Take it as 15 divided by 13. So now divide this. 13 and 15 we are going to divide. 13 ones are 13. 2 remainder. Decimal 0. So again 13 ones are 13. So you will get 7. Take 0. 13 fives are 65. So 1.15. So this is equal to, you will be getting here 1.15 meter. So here plus sign, plus 1.15 meter. So here the meaning is V is nothing but image distance. So image distance we have calculated plus 1.15 meter. So now let us calculate its magnification. So magnification formula is M is equal to H dash divided by H. So we can use this formula, H dash and H, if H value is given. But here H dash value is not given and also H value is not given. So another formula here what we have is, this is equal to minus V divided by U. So now we can use this formula, minus V value just now we have calculated as 1.15 divided by U value. So U value, what is U value here? u is minus 5. So here we can write minus 5. So minus and minus will get cancelled. So calculate this. This is equal to, again there is decimal here. You can see there is a decimal. So if you want to remove this decimal, what we have to do is, after decimal you can see there are 2 digits. So to put 2 zeros in the denominator if you want to remove this decimal point. So let me erase this. So now this is equal to 115 divided by 500. So how we got this 2 zeros? Because we have removed this decimal. After decimal 2 digits are there, that is why we have put this 2 zeros. Now divide this number and see what you will get. So here we can divide 500 115. So now take point and put 1 0 here. So 500 twos are, you will be getting 1000. So remainder is 150. Take one more 0 here. So if you put 3 here, it is 1500. So 0.23 you will be getting. So this is equal to plus 0.23. So magnification m value we are getting as plus 0.23. So what does this plus sign indicate? So see here what we have written, plus sign. So plus sign if you are getting for m, it indicates that it is virtual image. So here we can write the image formed is virtual. So here we can write image is virtual. Whether the image formed is enlarged or diminished. So see here it is 0.23. It is less than 1. If it is less than 1, then the image formed is diminished. So you will be here writing here the image is diminished. Image formed is diminished. Diminished, or you can say it is small. It is small by a factor of 0.23. So this is the answer for this question. So I have made solve this problem stepwise. So you can check the steps. So finally you will be getting this answer. Let us solve the second example, example 9.2. So let us read the question. An object 4 cm in size is placed at 25 cm in front of the concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. So what is given in the question? Let us write first. So given. So you can see here size of the object is given. So h is the size of the object, which is equal to plus 4.0 centimeter. So for the concave mirror, you can see h is equal to plus sign, and then distance is given. So distance of the object is given. U is given as minus 25.0 centimeter, and then focal length. So focal length is also negative here, minus 15.0 centimeter. So you know that for concave mirror. So for the concave mirror, the focal length will be in front of the mirror. Therefore, it is negative sign. So these are the values which are given. What you have to find is at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image. So you have to calculate at what distance the image is formed. That is, we have to find out V. And then they have given find the nature and size of the image. So let us write the mirror formula first. What is mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So now substitute in this equation. 1 divided by V. V we have to find, plus 1 divided by U. U is given as minus 25. So 25.0, that 0 you can leave because it is equal to 25, which is equal to 1 divided by F is given as minus 15. So now here two signs are there, plus sign and minus sign. So multiply this, plus into minus will become minus. So you will be writing 1 by V minus 1 by 25 is equal to minus 1 by 50. In the next step, what you are going to do is shift this negative sign to the other side. So when you shift this to the other side, minus will become plus. So next you will be writing here 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25. So this is what you will get. So now what you have to do is you have to take LCM for 15 and 25. So take LCM for 15 and 25. 15 and 25, we are going to find the LCM. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. 3 1s are 3 and then again 5 1s are. So LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 5. So you will be getting how much? 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are you will be getting 75. So 75 is the LCM. So in the next step we will write 1 by V is equal to 75 is the LCM. So 15 5s are 75. So you will get here 5. 25 3s are 75. So this is equal to minus 2 by 75. So here you are getting 1 by V is equal to 2 by 75. That is 1 by V is equal to minus 2 by 75. Then V will be equal to minus 75 divided by 2. So now cancel this. 2 1s are you will get, and here you will be getting minus 37.5 if you cancel. So you will be getting V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter as the answer. That is image distance is minus 37.5. So next let us find the height of the image. So to find the height of the image we have formula m is equal to h dash divided by h, which is equal to minus v divided by u. So now in the next step, so here this is given in the question, this we have found, v value we have found, and u is given in the question. So we have to find this h dash. So now take only this formula. So you will be taking h dash divided by h is equal to minus v divided by u. So now substitute in this formula. H dash divided by, what is h value? So h value you can see it is plus 4.0. Plus 4.0 is equal to v value, we have got it as minus 37.5 divided by u value is minus 25. Minus 25. So next step you take h dash is equal to, so here minus 37.5 divided by minus 25 into plus 4.0. So shift this to the other side. So it will come in the numerator. Now negative sign and negative sign you can cancel. So cancel this negative sign. So you will be getting here, this is equal to minus 37.5 divided by 25 into 4.0. So now what you can do is to remove the decimal. So it is difficult to calculate with the decimal point. So let us remove this decimal. So if you want to remove this decimal point, you can put zeros in the denominator. After decimal, how many numbers are there? Count, only one number is present. Therefore you can put 1 0 in the denominator. So this is equal to minus 375 divided by 250 into 4. So 4.0 can be written as 4. Is this clear how we have written? If you want to remove this decimal point, after decimal you see how many digits are there. If one digit is present, put 1 0 and then remove that decimal point. So now we are going to cancel this. So here 25 tens are 250 you will get. And then here 25 ones are 25 and then 25 fives are 125. So in 25 if you cancel 15 times it will go. So this is equal to minus 15 fours are you will be getting 60 divided by 10. So 1 0 and 1 0 will get cancelled, which is equal to minus 6 you will get. So you will be getting here h dash is equal to minus 6 centimeter as the answer. So h dash is nothing but it is the height of the image. So now what is the nature of the image which is formed? If there is negative sign here, h dash value we are getting it as negative sign. So negative sign, the meaning is image is inverted here. So we can write here The image formed is inverted. Image is inverted, and whether it is enlarged or diminished. So you can see here the value is, here we are getting the value as 6. If it is greater than 1, then it is enlarged. So here it is greater than 1. Therefore, the image is enlarged and enlarged. So this is the answer for this numerical. So is this clear? Stepwise we have done. So if you are finding calculation difficult, you can do like this. Decimal point you can remove, and calculation you can make it simpler. So I hope it is clear to you. Students, if you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.